Hi, welcome to the Squirrel Channel. Today is a very great day. We are doing it the right way. We are making biochar out of dead material that we were hired to remove from, to cut down and process, and we made an agreement to burn it on their property because they had space for it. And today's a perfect day. There's a slight rain. I'm going to put you in this little old char. These are one of our first char boxes. We would put it in a fire, and it would make a little bit of char. But today we're going to make a lot of char. So I'm glad you're here, and this is what it looks like. We're going to set it off. We make a little fire at the bottom with this Usnea spriggles and propane, and that amazing trough, the way it's designed. It will be the most efficient way to burn all this brush.
And the button. You turn it off?
No, it's on. Should I record the whole thing? Oh, that's okay. Sorry, you fell in. Okay, so right now we are seeing a really nice flame because this was like standing dead for years. I was just up to making some Usnea extract. We are closing the propane. We do not need it anymore. It's a nice, cool, overcast day. Perfect. It's Saturday. So initially we are going to see some smoke, but ideally, because we covered and dried the material in the hot sun a couple days ago, it should burn without much smoke. Now Brian has gizmos, and this is an electric air blower attached to a gutter downspout that he pounded in the ground, and this is going to give air to initially get it going hot. Once we have the fire going hot, see, we're already making some ash. I feel compelled to start adding more brush. It's going to be loud, but these are some of the dynamics of the proper way in the new era of doing stewardship practices in the right way.
And go show them the rotten, bug-filled.
Yeah. What we're also taking on, Helen and Paul are elderly, and they invited us to do this for them. Well, it's a paid service, but they had some difficult health issues over the past 5 years, so there was some rotten wood sitting around unsplit for about 6 years. So we still have Paul, but this got, it was waiting. It sat waiting, and it turned, there were some fire ants, but there was also some gorgeous black walnut. Look at that. I'm making spoons out of this stuff. And this is our diesel splitter. So we came in with our equipment, and it was much easier to take down a tree and stack it in the back corner than haul it in the truck, haul it somewhere else, unload it, pay for getting rid of waste, which is actually a commodity. So do you guys understand this? These are systems of economy that will improve soil health. That's what we use this biochar for. But granted, I do put them in the pantry for stomach issues, and they're great for poultices. You got any inflammation, you put char on it. You can make it at home. So here we go. Maybe I'll give some distance because it's open spaces that allow Because, turns out we're right next door to the fire department. So Helen did have the lieutenant come over and check out this trough. Because usually a burn pile is 3 by 5, no greater. People are not going to be complaining because not many people are out in the rain on a Saturday morning, and it's optimum for burning in weather conditions like this. So that's why we held off for the week. It all worked out perfect, and I hope you enjoy this process. It's actually a pleasure. Brought coffee, brought breakfast, snacks. We've got some lawn chairs right there. But since it's really dry, it will be burning down pretty quick. And after we just keep adding, ultimately we're going to douse it before it all turns to ash, because that's the indicator of when you keep adding material. We'll get a little closer. Once you first start seeing ash, you put more on, then the flame jumps there, and the design of this vessel denies it of oxygen. So I got to start adding with Brian. I'll record for a little bit longer or until we've got all that material too. We took down a whole magnolia tree. Okay, so enjoy.